Hi, and welcome back to our channel, Travebellas. This is the tallest statue in the whole wide world. This is the statue of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This statue stands tall at the height of 183 meters. The topmost priority when you visit a Statue of Unity should be visiting the observatory deck, which is accessible to tourists through elevators built within the statue. This observatory deck is at a height of almost 45-storied building. This museum and the gallery shows the life journey of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel since his childhood days. You can also witness some old archives of his photo collection in the museum. The movie of his life journey is worth watching. This is one of the largest dams in the world that is situated in the premises of Statue of Unity, making it a very peaceful place to visit and observe this grand structure. This is the scenic view while you return back. Valley of Flowers. It is one of the tourist and picnic spot around the Statue of Unity. You can enjoy a good family time during the evenings amidst the wide variety of flowers. The Gujarat government has built a tent city in the Narmada region, which is a 10-minute drive from the Statue of Unity. This is open for tourists all throughout the year.